All right, on Tool Time Tuesday today, how many times have you went to clean stuff and you got your cleaner and you're just putting it on a rag and you're wasting a lot of it, or you're pouring it on, or possibly you've got some little like plastic squirt bottles that you can just put that on your rag or your part, but you're using a lot of material. So we all like how the aerosol sprays. So I'm going to show you a way to have both. And oh, by the way, if you're using brake cleaner and you're welding in your garage, make sure you buy the non-chlorinated. All right, so I like using these sprayers. They really came down in price, and you're really going to like this. Basically, fill it up with whatever fluid you want. Try not to spill it everywhere. Maybe even wear gloves. And acetone gets expensive, so if you're just pouring it everywhere, all right, then you just tighten it down. So this is where the magic happens. You fill it up like you would any other tire. And I don't know if this will work with a power tank. It needs at least 80 psi. So the nice thing about this now is it works just like a sprayer. So if I need some fluid on there, just hit the trigger and it sprays out just like your can of brake cleaner. But it can be any kind of fluid in this at all. Every now and then you might have to put some more air in it. But it works really nice. My last one, I dropped it and beat the tar out of it, just like you're painting. And since it's atomized into fluid, you're not using as much fluid as you were just dumping it on a rag. All right, so this Tool Time Tuesday, stop just dumping your stuff on a rag or squirt bottles. These little sprayers are about $30, and I'll leave an Amazon link below, but you can put anything in there, acetone, you can buy brake cleaner, large quantities, alcohol, not the drinking kind. It works good for that as well. I would even imagine if you want to put tapping fluid in it, you could probably put tapping fluid in it. Anyway, check this out. It's been another Tool Time Tuesday. If you're enjoying these, please remember to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you here for some places to use something like this.